Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Left leads to... The steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it all. That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Pick any toy you'd like. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Where to now? Forward leads to Brandon Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Great! Excellent! Thanks for helping out! Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Forward leads to... Forward leads to... Forward leads to... Left leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Which way do you want to go? Left leads. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to... Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to... Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Great! That's perfect! We all love your train set.